There's Tim. There's me and Tim. There we are. We're just hanging out here in Chiang Rai at the Walking Street Market. So we're just going to hang out now today. How long have you been here for now? How long have you been in Chiang Rai now?
I've been in Chiang Rai a couple of times since I've been here, man. I've been here like almost 10 weeks now.
10 weeks.
10 weeks.
Yeah.
And I've been through Chiang Mai, or Chiang Rai. This is my third trip up here.
Wow. So you love it up here?
Yeah, because you know it's so inexpensive
Yeah.
to travel, you know. You know, the trains, the buses.
So easy.
I mean, my ass kind of hurts from sitting so much, man. But it's great.
Well, Tim's just looking down where he's been and he loves Chiang Rai. He's actually been moving up here his time. So he's just trying to work out. So either Chiang Rai or what was the other place you down now? The other place?
Phayao. That's Phayao's my second favorite place in all of Thailand. There's only like 20,000 people. Really cool.
That's a small town. There's probably more people here tonight than Phayao.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, Timmy, so tell me, what do you love about Chiang Rai that I've said, but even add more to that?
Well, let's talk about the weather.
True, yeah.
The weather.
Yeah.
I'm originally from Texas, so the hottest part of the freaking United States, one of them. And in Chiang Rai, two YouTubers were tragically hit by a truck tonight in Chiang Rai. The most hospitalized. No, but the weather.
Yeah.
In the mornings,
yeah, it's fresh.
it's very cool. You need a long sleeve shirt,
you're right.
some pants, something at night. You know, sleep. You don't need aircon at night here. You know, you can get by on just a fan and open window.
That's right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
Because Chiang Rai's proximity to the mountains is kind of in the face of it. And you get that cool mountain air.
Absolutely
and
right. Absolutely correct.
So I love that about it.
Yeah,
you know?
You're right. You're right about that.
The scenery, the plants, the trees. It's more. The further you out you get from Chiang Rai, it's more like a jungle.
Yeah, you're right.
You know, and I love that smell of the jungle.
Yeah.
There seems to be also in certain areas of Thailand, you smell that sweet kind of. It's almost a decay.
Yes.
You know, it's almost like your grandmother's terrible perfume. You know what I mean?
I know exactly what you're saying.
You know, but I've grown to love that smell. You know, it's very similar to the smell on the Big Island of Hawaii, where I lived for a couple of years. It's very fragrant and kind of comforting. You know what I mean?
And I know you said one of your channels, one of your videos with Dan, and even with Ricky, you love the mountains. You just love. Is that because of where you are in Texas? Is it?
No, well, originally from Texas, but I've been in Colorado.
Which is all mountains, yeah.
Oh yeah, right now, man, it's like 32 Fahrenheit right now. So that's freezing.
Oh, that's cold. Okay.
That's when the water turns to ice at 32.
So what's I don't get familiar with Celsius. Like, do you understand Celsius? No.
I'm American. I don't understand shit.
So I know so Fahrenheit. So 30 degrees Fahrenheit is freezing cold.
32, yes.
Cold.
That's when water freezes.
Oh, okay. So that's where you're living right now?
That's where I am.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not looking forward to going back.
Yeah. You obviously here. So it's obviously, does Denver get hot also?
Oh yeah, in the summertime it can be hot as hell.
Oh right, okay,
you know, it can get near 100.
Wow.
You know, but if you're in the shade, it's 20 degrees cooler.
Oh man.
So you don't feel that intense burn. You know what I mean?
You obviously get snow there, yeah? It's like
get stoned?
No.
Oh, absolutely, man. Absolutely. So, yeah, there's probably snow on the ground right now.
So there is snow there, snow?
Oh yeah, most definitely, man. It's it's one of the ski and snowboard capitals of the world.
Is that where Aspen is?
Aspen.
Oh,
yeah.
No,
Breckenridge,
Aspen. So that's in Denver, Colorado.
Breckenridge.
That's really cool. So that's the scope. That's like the place to be doing slow racing.
Oh yeah. Most definitely.
There you go. So I just learned something today. I mean, I'm an Aussie. I'm an Italian Aussie, and I don't know much really about America. So I don't know much about America. I've only been to Los Angeles, California, Mexico. But I'd love to go to America one day. I'm a big fan of American things, sports, football,
Yeah,
baseball. Even the World Cup football, soccer's going to be in the States. I know it's getting a little bit controversial with what's going in the world, but we won't go there. This is a happy channel, not a we just weren't going to go there.
Yeah.
Anyway, but
look, let's walk around, man.
yeah, done.
You know, let's just show the sides. We'll show the ladies.
Yeah, the lovely ladies.